what a $7,000 crossbar and trampoline looks like.
So the first thing we have to do after we put the boat in the water was to dock up and clean the boat completely. It was totally nasty from being in a boatyard for so long and then from us working on it. But after that, we had to try out the boat. We're on our first motor sail on Catch and Raise 2. We're just tooling around the north part of Antigua right now. Heading to Bird just to see what it's like. So Mike and Vicky from Double Exposure and Cobus and Marcel from Karma traveled around with us to Deep Bay was the first place, and we toured the fort. And then from there we went to Hermitage Bay and met up with some of our old friends from the boatyard. Had a few sundowners and a cookout on the beach. But then after that, we went down to Jolly Harbor to fill up with diesel and prepare to make our crossing to Barbuda and then St. Martin. So in preparation for that, we went back around to North Sound with Mike and Vicky and waited on a weather window. Within a couple weeks, we left Antigua and motored all the way up to Barbuda. And then the next morning, made the 12-hour motor over to St. Martin. checked into the country and waited our place in line for the FKG dock.
Beautiful job, Kevin.
We had FKG basically do everything for us. The only thing they didn't do is put the mounts on the boat for the crossbar and the mast step. We did that, but pretty much everything else they had done. And the crossbar went on without too many issues. It was a tight fit, but the tool that they used to assist in installing the crossbar could not make anything any easier.
Alright, we're going to try putting on the crossbar again.
Before too long, we had the crossbar on, and we installed the trampoline, and it needed to be put on before the mast and the rigging went on, so that it can make it easier for the riggers hooking up the furler to the crossbar.
That's what a $7,000 crossbar and trampoline looks like.
Welcome to Super St. Martin.
Your teeth are purple because of your freaking popsicle.
Well, I've got the
They're
sunburn.
blue and your tongue's purple. And you have to talk a little bit louder than welcome to Super St. Martin. Your teeth are still blue. Such a weird view from up here.
So after we checked into the country there, we waited our line